Okay, so I've been working with some filler primer and some filler putty. I had some roughness here, and it's really no big deal because the roof's going over that, but I figured I'd go ahead and try to get that smoother. And on the underside here was kind of rough, and I've been working with filler putty on that, and I'm getting it there. Still got some more work to do before we start painting it and getting it ready to start displaying some mini brand stuff. So this is the other half of the building. It's been printing for quite a while. So we're 58%, still have 28 hours left on it. And this one, I think there might have been a little something wrong with the other filament that I was using to make that roughness. We'll see when this gets to the top layer, but so far this is doing, the layers look a lot better. I don't think I'm gonna have to use filler glaze on it, but I'm not gonna know for sure until that time comes. But it's printing really good. So I already got a video uploaded about printing the first one, and we did a hyperlapse of that being printed. So if you go back and find that video, I'll put a link to it somewhere here, and you can go watch it being printed, and I show a little bit about it on Tinkercad and just a little more information. But that was the start of this, I would say, video series. And now it's just, finish printing it, get the roof printed, working with the LED lights, and working with the mini brand stuff to that we're going to use to put on it for display. So this is the mini brands that she's going to open today. It's from KFC, and I'm not going to film the opening of everything on this channel, but she's going to film it and put it on her TikTok. So stay tuned and I'll show you what's inside.
This is what we opened in the KFC box, and this is rare, the spicy chicken. This is common, the chicken and potato logs. This is fries, which is a luxury item, and this wrap and this macaroni and cheese with nuggets, I guess, are both ultra rares.
So we'll be figuring out some type of display room or house or restaurant or something to start displaying this type of mini brand product too.